Okay, friends, in this unboxing video, we have isopods and springtails, not plants. So if you don't like buggies, maybe not watch, but if you like buggies, we just ordered from TC Insects. I've never ordered from them before, so I'm excited to see how their stuff comes. Nice set of insulation, obviously that's necessary because we are still in winter. And here are all our little cultures and buggies. A little tossed around, but hey, so it goes, right? And we'll take a look at everybody once we get them out. All right. Well, that's good. I already see movement, so I'm not too concerned. I always like to look in here. I still feel heat from the heat pack. So I reached down to the bottom, and I still feel the package is warm, and the heat pack is still warm. That's what we like. Warm heat pack is a good thing. Now, first off, this is a bunch of springtails. Springtails are your little part of your cleanup crew. Isopods and springtails work together. So we're going to look around. Really, I see a bunch in there. Looks like some have had a rough ride. Oh, I do see a bunch moving though, so. They're on this art charcoal or lava rock or something. So, it's interesting. There they go. You see little doodly dudes. All right. That's the tropical pink springtails. We got a silver ghost cubaris. Let's see, let's open it up. There should be 5 in here. I see one little guy right there. 2. Let's see, what else do we have? 3. Sorry, I'm not really showing you. I'm just 4 and 5. Okay, so I'm going to try and tilt this. These little 2 guys in the corner are curled up. I don't know if you can see them right here in the corner. There's one here and one here. They're in their pill bug form. If they don't uncurl in a little while here, they may be dead. But I've noted 3 that look healthy and fine. We have springtails in here, more springtails. These are the Florida, so they're orange springtails. And I'll show you this. So this is their culture. See the little dudes? So they grow in that. And then we have 5 yellow zebra isopods. If I'm not wrong, they're in the armadillo family. I forget off the top of my head. It just says zebra. Oh, the chenille are out and about. I already see one of those. Okay. Oh, look, I see all 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it looks like I see an extra 6th guy down in there. And he looks happy and healthy and he's crawling around. So, pleased with that one. Okay. So that's our yellow zebra. We showed you the ghost. Oh, the Shiro. These are samurai. They're called Shiro samurai. They're out and about and moving. They're so cute. Okay. And finally, I got some Asian orange springtails. So we got 2 types of orange off the top of my head. One is temperate, one is tropical, and I cannot remember which is which. But we're just looking for some little doodly dudes hanging out in there. And I already saw one. I'm just going to try and get one on camera for you. But, oh, there we go. Is that guy moving? Yep, there he is. So we have an active culture for these guys, and that's everything we got this time. I'm going to say I'm pretty pleased. The only one I am worried about is that cubaris. Wait, which one was it? Yeah, it was the cubaris silver ghost. We'll see if those last 2 uncurl, but otherwise, exactly what I was expecting. Okay, so I wanted to poke around some more in the silver ghost because there were those 2 that were curled up. And I have actively seen 4 moving around. So when I showed you earlier that there were 2 over this way that were curled up, 1 has uncurled, leaving me think that that dude might not have made it through transit. I'm certainly not going to return what is an overall exceptional order for one bug. Well, that's it for today, folks. Until next time,